We got an iPhone 7 that was completely dead and no any sign of life. LCD looks blank. While inserting the charger, no response. The backside of the iPhone is heating up while we insert the charger. Remove the battery and flex carefully. Let's diagnose the PCB status. The PCB looks normal and has no prior repair sign. Let's connect to the power source. We can easily find that auto take ampere means sorting on the iPhone. This iPhone was no any water damage sign. To find heating, we put some epoxy resin over PCB and input voltage. Now you can see the resin melt from the Wi-Fi chip, means this section is heating up, causing such an issue. Let's scratch the Wi-Fi chip. If the Wi-Fi chip is shorting, then you have to replace the Wi-Fi chip, but sometimes the capacitor inside the Wi-Fi is faulty, and just removing the faulty one capacitor will solve your issues and no need to replace the whole Wi-Fi chip. Here you can see that some crystal chip is shorting. Let's remove it and check. After removing this IC, the shorting was gone and iPhone was fully powered on. After this, while I check on Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi network is so weak. And finally, I replaced the Wi-Fi chip. If the problem was only from the capacitor, then you can remove it, but with the problem on some IC, then you have to replace the whole chip. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share it with friends and subscribe to support us. We are always waiting for your feedback. Keep dropping your valuable comment. See you in the next video with more informative content. See you soon.